Okay, good morning guys. Today I'm gonna make bread mini pizza. Look at this one. This is a sliced bread, guys, and I form a circle, and this is it. And then tomato sauce, quick melt cheese, mozzarella cheese, and then ham, bell pepper, butter, and then onions. Okay guys, so we're gonna go outside first. Put some butter, just a little, and then put this one. Okay, that's enough. Okay. Okay, in a few minutes we're gonna get this one. Okay, that's enough. Okay. Okay, so we're gonna like this. In the front is this one because this one will be on the pot also, so it will become okay. So that one will be in the pot. Okay, so first we're gonna assemble. Now we're gonna add tomato sauce, okay, and the next it's super cute. This is good for snacks, guys. Okay, and then next is we're gonna put onions. You can put anything you want to put over here. If you have some leftover meat at home, okay, you can put that one also. But I do not have a leftover meat also, so I just put a ham. Okay, and the next, this one. Okay, we're gonna add like that, just a little. Okay, here also. I slice it very thin. And the next ham. Okay, since we have so much ham, okay, we can add mini as we want. Okay. Because it's mini pizza, guys. Okay, guys, and now mozzarella cheese. Okay. Oh, on the pan. Okay. Okay, guys, so we're gonna go like that. Butter, guys. Low heat lang, guys. Oh. Okay. Okay, guys. Okay. One more, guys. And then it's going to melt, okay? Okay, guys. Oh, look at, it's done. Okay. Okay. One. Okay, guys, ha? It's melted already, guys. Sige lang. That, guys, our mini pizza. This is it. This is our bread mini pizza. It's very yummy. Okay, guys, so it's tasting time. Okay, I'm gonna okay, guys. Okay, so this is it. Our bread mini pizza. So I'm gonna put a sauce and I'm gonna taste it. Okay. Okay, guys. This is it. It's yummy. It's very crunchy. It's spicy because you know the hot sauce that I put a hot sauce, that's why. Okay, guys, if you need more recipes, Please hit like, follow, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel, D Bro Jack, to my Instagram, D_Bro_Jack, and to my TikTok at The Cooking Show, and to my Facebook page, The Cooking Show. Please follow and subscribe on my Facebook page and Instagram. And to all my accounts, guys, my YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook page, and personal blog. And to my personal blog, Delia Valentine. To all my supporters and non-supporters, thank you for watching.